Hey guys, I don't think I've ever been happier to partner with Walmart than I am today. I actually just got in yesterday, Saturday, about 5:30, and I woke up first thing this morning ready to do this video because I'm so inspired. First of all, by the last video that I did, which I will put it up here. I think I did it last week, and I showed you the black suit that I was so excited about. And then I also shared with you a jumpsuit, and I told you that I would check back with you that I was going to not only order the jumpsuit in the large, but ordered this, which is the other suit. And I couldn't tell if it was red or pink online. The actual color is azalea, and it is right up my alley. You guys know how I feel about this color, and it is perfectly fabulous. I have it on now with just some heels, just because I wanted to show you the versatility of the suit. Now the pants and the blazer, I did probably size up larger than what I actually need. The pants are size 6 and the blazer is a size medium. I could absolutely and probably should be wearing the 4 pants, but the medium blazer I kind of like because you guys know I always like an oversized fit, but I would not say it is a true boyfriend fit. With that said, I'm curious to see what the 4 looks like because this is why I was so excited. When I was out of town shopping, I went to just all types of like really high-end boutiques, tried on lots of clothes, and one of the things that the sales associate had on was a suit. And she had it on with her sneakers, and she looked so good. It was like an immediate, she looked put together, she looked, you know, sporty, young, but still classy and chic. Just all of the things that I think, especially women our age, want to look. We want to look up to date, but we want to look chic. We want to be comfortable, but we want to look put together, all of those things. So I was so excited to come home to my suit that I had already ordered, and then a couple of other pieces that you guys are gonna love. So like I said, this is the same suit that I showed you last time in the black, but this time in the azalea. The next thing I want to show you is this. Remember how I always say that that slip dress that I showed you in the last video and the red one that I wore to the style conference? I mean, I have purchased slip dresses that are very high end, and they feel like high-end slip dresses. And the difference is the weight of the satin that they use. That makes it hang differently. It makes it get less wrinkled. It makes it flow differently when you're walking. There is just a big difference. You know when you slip on something like this blazer that has the weight of a designer blazer, it's going to fit differently. It's not going to wrinkle. That is how this is. I took a chance on this. I just saw it, and it's like I want to love camisoles, but I have a hard time. One, because I feel like they never look finished enough for me. I don't want something that just looks like a shell top. I want something that looks really finished and good. So when I saw this one, I was like, okay, I'm gonna order that. Another thing is I wore this with my bra, just my regular bra, and I think it looked great. A lot of times your straps will not line up in the right place so that you can wear a bra, but these did. They are adjustable. I didn't have to adjust it a bit. And you guys, the weight on this, I don't know if you can see. I did order the lilac version because I love that lavender color. It looks so good with so many different things. It looks good under black, of course. It looks good under white, but it really looks good under gray. That is a great layering piece. So this, oh my goodness, I love it so much. You've got to get it. So the first thing I did is pair this cami with the black pants that I showed you in my last Walmart video. Love it, love it. At first I put on just a simple pair of black, you know, just a little block heel, because I wanted to show you the versatility. I was thinking, how do I want to frame this video? Because there's different aspects, like this suit I think is very, very comparable to a designer suit in the way that it's made and the way that it fits. These outfits are all very versatile. And then I was thinking this is almost like a capsule wardrobe because all of these pieces can mix and match. For the last aspect of this video, I tried to pair each of these with sneakers so that we can get that chic, comfortable, casual, classy look and wear it anywhere. And this is something that would be great to travel in, take a couple of pair of shoes, mix and match it all up. That's what I like to do, and I think these pieces are perfect for that. So I did try this, and then I brought in the blazer. I mean, look at how nice this is. Lined, just beautiful. And it's so classic. It's like simply beautiful and classic. This one is too. Just this has the pink lining, that has the striped lining, which I think adds a little something. Then the next thing I ordered on a whim is this little cardigan. I wore it as a top, but you certainly could wear it open as a cardigan. Look at the pretty buttons, not gaudy, the perfect finish. Look at the detail going down here. Look at that little scalloped edge. It's also on the sleeve. So pretty, very, very designer-esque, very chic. The weight is beautiful. This is from Free Assembly. I would say Free Assembly is one of the top-notch lines at Walmart. Free Assembly and Scoop, absolutely, are going to give you just such good quality. And they are up to date with what is popular, what is the most on trend. And we know that these lady jackets are certainly on trend. And I love it. I was so drawn to the white too. So I might have the white in my future because I think the white would be very, very versatile. And even you could even pair these, of course, with a pair of jeans, but pants. But I'm looking forward to having fun styling these in different ways. But just a beautiful little cardigan, a cropped cut, but not really cropped. Just beautiful. Now what size? I got a small in this. So very, very true to size, if not generous sizing, I would say. And then my Charlie's Angels jumpsuit. I had to. So I ordered this in the large because I felt like the black, you can get by with something being a little bit tighter in black. So I thought, well, let me go ahead and order the large in the Cafe au Lait, and then we can compare the fit. And if you're gonna err on the large side, I think it would be better to do it. Just, it might be more flattering. With that said, and you will have to let me know down below, I still think the medium looks better on me. Now keep in mind, this is no boundaries, it's no bow, and it is a junior line. So sizing up for me would typically be a medium, and that is what the ones that I showed you last time were. This is a large, and it says junior size 11 to 13. And I think it is just a little big, unless, I think if you have a bigger, more shapely figure, it would probably be perfect. I think because I'm pretty much straight in the back, I think it left a little to be desired in the back. But let me know. It's hard for me to tell like you do. You know what I mean? Like you're looking out of from a different perspective. And I just love it. I'm kind of feeling the silver lately. And I love the way they put the silver with this cafe color. And I just think it is a really cool jumpsuit. And I think you could style this in a lot of ways for fun, for going out, for work. Very, very versatile. Okay, now I want to show you some little fun things that I got when I was on the Walmart website. I saw that they have a Paris Hilton line of homeware. Well, my daughter is almost 24 and she likes Paris Hilton. And it's kind of like one of those things that connects us slightly because I remember the whole Paris Hilton rage in the 90s. So we both like that type of stuff. So I grabbed her the milk frother, and here it is. I don't have batteries in it, and then it goes with this little cup that says, "That's hot." And Brooke and I always love that when she says that. And they do have several different designs of the cups, and it's in a kit with this frother. and I got it for her. I just thought it was cute, and I also just kind of wanted to check it out and see about the quality and, you know, how it was packaged and everything, and it's pretty impressive. And I believe that both of these that I'm going to show you are marked down now. And then I got her, this is the 10-inch non-stick pan in the pretty pink color. I thought that was so pretty. A ceramic non-stick cast aluminum fry pan, fast, even heating, extremely durable construction, sturdy comfort grip handle, and I believe it said clean ceramic non-stick made without. All of those, I'll let you read all of the things it's made without to be safer and dishwasher safe. So I'm excited to give her this because Brooke loves like little things like this. She's like me. She likes little fancy stuff all the way around, and she loves to cook. And believe it or not, I used to love to cook. It was much more fun to cook when I was the mom of little children and a husband that went to work and came home, and I could have dinner ready. Even before we had children, I enjoyed making dinner for John when he would come home. Now it's not as much fun because, you know, everybody's going everywhere. So note to you young moms out there, or moms of young children, enjoy that dinner time, enjoy cooking, enjoy all of that, because seasons change. And with every season of life, you get the good things, and then some of the good things, you know, kind of drift past us. And I'm glad that I did it up. I did all the baking, all of the different casseroles. You know, when we had people over, I would bake, and I loved stuff like this. Okay, so let me tell you my favorites. Absolutely. They're all favorites. They're all favorites, but I really think if I had to say my must-have items from this try-on haul, it would be this suit, the black suit, and the cami. Absolutely. All of these pieces are very, very high quality, and then the sweater is too. The sweater is very high quality. This is going to be your more inexpensive line, but I think this is a fun little piece to have. So all in all, I loved it. I hope you did. I hope that you found something that you like. And then let me go over sizing again. I would get your true size in everything that I featured except for the jumpsuit. I would size up 1. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you to Walmart for asking me to partner with them, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.